Today we are going to do unboxing Samsung Galaxy A21s. What's up guys, this is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. Price for this one is $200. So what we are getting in $200, we are getting 6.5-inch display, 4 camera setup, 64 GB storage, 4 GB of RAM. You can expand the memory up to 512 GB and it's coming with a 5000 mAh battery, which should provide excellent battery life. It also comes in white, black, blue and red. Let's go ahead and check the Galaxy A21s. On top we have some paperwork which does not appear with the back case, which is the same story of A01, A11 and A21s as well. But A31, A51 and A71 all comes with a back clear case. We have here 15 watt fast charging as well, which is a great thing because for low end model you are getting fast charging. We have USB type A to type C cable, and we have here Samsung headphone, which is the Samsung cheapest headphone available. Now we will talk about the display. It's coming with the Infinity O display design, which is just a hole punch cut out at the upper corner on the left. We have also fingerprint sensor on the back, which is a great thing for the budget phone. Okay, now move on to Galaxy A21s first impression. It's pretty lightweight device and big display, 6.5-inch. A21s have glossy finish on the back. First look for 6.5-inch 720p LCD display. You are getting 82.8% screen to body ratio, 720 by 1600 pixels and 270 ppi. It's not gonna look like A51 or A71, but for the daily use it's plenty sufficient. It's really good enough. It's coming with a very slim bezels. Overall it looks great. We just quickly talk about the camera. On the back we are getting 4 cameras. The main camera is 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel you are getting the depth camera. And on the front we are getting 13 megapixel selfie camera. This is my first impression for Galaxy A21s, and honestly for the price I am very happy with this. USP for A21s: the display, 5000 mAh battery, 15 volt fast charging, 48 megapixel camera. What is your thoughts on Galaxy A21s? Let me know in the comments in below. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Peace out.